हेलो स्टूडेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम चैप्टर सिलोजिज्म कंटिन्यू करेंगे। इससे पहले हमने लास्ट टू क्लासेस में टू स्टेटमेंट फोर कंक्लूजन, टू स्टेटमेंट टू कंक्लूजन पढ़े थे। आज हम थ्री स्टेटमेंट एंड फोर कंक्लूजन पढ़ेंगे। सो इसके बेसिस पर क्वेश्चन की स्टार्टिंग करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट, all rats are cats. Statement second, all cats are dogs. Statement third, all dogs are cows. Statement पे based conclusions. Conclusion first, some rats are cows. Conclusion second, all rats are cows. Conclusion third, some cows are rats. Conclusion fourth, all cows are rats. अब इसके सॉल्यूशन के लिए हम सबसे पहले स्टेटमेंट पे बेस्ड वेन डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे। सो फॉर सॉल्यूशन ड्रॉ ए वेन डायग्राम। Here statement first, all rats are cats. So here all rats are cats. Next statement, all cats are dogs. So all cats are dogs. Next, all dogs are cows. All dogs are। अब इस वेन डायग्राम के बेस पर हम अपने कंक्लूजन चेक करेंगे। Here conclusion first, some rats are cows. In Venn diagram, some rats are cows, right? Next, conclusion second, all rats are cows. In Venn diagram, all rats are cows, right? Next, some cows are rats. In Venn diagram, some cows are rats, right? Next, all cows are rats. So in Venn diagram, all cows are rats is wrong because some cows are rats is right. So conclusion fourth wrong. Then answer is conclusion first, second and third follows. Next question, question number 2. Statement, all tigers are jungles. Statement 2, some jungles are birds. Statement 3, some birds are wren. So statement based conclusion first, some tigers are wren. Conclusion second, all tigers are wren. Conclusion third, no tiger is wren. Conclusion fourth, some tiger are birds. So statement based वेन डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे। Statement first, all tigers are jungles. Here all tigers are jungles. Next, second statement, some jungles are birds. Here some jungles are birds. Next, some birds are wren. Here some birds are. इस स्टेटमेंट का दूसरा डायग्राम भी पॉसिबल है. तो नेक्स्ट सेकंड डायग्राम. स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट, all tigers are jungles. Here all tigers are jungles. Statement second, some jungles are birds. So here some jungles are birds is also joined to. Next, last statement, some birds are wrens. So here some birds are wrens. इसको हम टाइगर और जंगल से भी ज्वाइन कर देंगे. Some birds are wren. अब इन दोनों वेन डायग्राम के बेसिस पर हम अपने कंक्लूजन चेक करेंगे. So conclusion first, some tigers are wren. In diagram first, some tigers are not wren, and in second diagram, some tigers are wren. So here is a possibility. Next, all tigers are wren. Here in Venn diagram first, all tigers are not wren, and in diagram second, all tigers are not wren. So all tigers are wren is wrong. Next conclusion third, no tiger is wren. In first diagram, no tiger is wren, right, and in second diagram, no tiger is wren, wrong. So here is also a possibility. Next conclusion fourth, some tigers are birds. In diagram first, some tigers are not birds. So here is right, and in diagram second, conclusion fourth is right because here some tigers are birds. So again here possibility. अब हम कंक्लूजन्स में देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी अपोजिट पॉसिबिलिटी है और फोर्थ पॉसिबिलिटी एक सिंगल पॉसिबिलिटी है. तो सिंगल पॉसिबिलिटी कभी भी रिजल्ट नहीं होगी और अपोजिट पॉसिबिलिटी में कोई भी एक हमारा रिजल्ट हो सकती है. तो देन इसका आंसर होगा आइदर कंक्लूजन फर्स्ट or third follows. Next question number third. Statement first, some trains are buses. Statement second, some buses are rooms. Statement third, some rooms are bought. Here conclusion first, some trains are rooms. Conclusion second, some buses are bought. Conclusion third, no buses is bought. Conclusion fourth, no trains is room. So अब स्टेटमेंट के बेस पर हम वेन डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. Statement first, some trains are buses. Here some trains are buses. Statement second, some buses are rooms. So here some buses are roomed, and statement third, some rooms are bought. So here some rooms are, so इसका भी दो डायग्राम पॉसिबल है. तो नेक्स्ट डायग्राम, some train are buses and some buses are rooms. So some buses are rooms, तो हम रूम्स को टेबल्स ट्रेन से भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. सो some buses are rooms, and last, some rooms are bought. So here some rooms are bought. अब इन दोनों वेन डायग्राम के बेसिस पर हम कंक्लूजन चेक करेंगे. फर्स्ट कंक्लूजन, some trains are rooms. Here some trains are rooms is not correct in first diagram, and in second diagram is right. So here is a possibility in conclusion first. Next conclusion second, some buses are bought. In first diagram some buses are bought is not correct, and in second diagram some buses are bought is correct. So here is also a possibility. Next, third, no buses bought. In diagram first no buses is bought is correct, and in diagram second is incorrect. So here is a possibility in conclusion third. Next, no trains is rooms. So in diagram first no train is room is correct, and in diagram second is incorrect. So here is also a possibility. अब कंक्लूजन्स में हम देखते हैं कि कंक्लूजन फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ अपोजिट हैं, एंड कंक्लूजन सेकंड एंड थर्ड अपोजिट है. तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ अपोजिट पॉसिबिलिटी है, एंड सेकंड एंड थर्ड अपोजिट पॉसिबिलिटी है. तो इन पॉसिबिलिटीज में यहाँ पे आंसर इस प्रकार से दिया जाएगा कि फर्स्ट और फोर्थ कंक्लूजन एंड सेकंड एंड और थर्ड कंक्लूजन राइट है. तो आंसर इस तरीके से होगा, आइदर फर्स्ट और फोर्थ एंड सेकंड और थर्ड कंक्लूजन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Statement first, no rabbit is loyal. Statement second, some loyal are horse. Statement third, some horse are cats. Conclusion first, no rabbit is horse. Conclusion second, some horse are loyal. Conclusion third, all cats are loyal. Conclusion fourth, no loyal is rabbit. तो सॉल्यूशन के लिए अब हम स्टेटमेंट के बेसिस पर वेन डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. Here statement first, no rabbit is loyal. Here no rabbit is loyal. Next, some loyal are horse. So here some loyal are horse. Next, some horse are cats. Here some horse are cats. इसका सेकंड डायग्राम पॉसिबल होगा तो सेकंड डायग्राम होगा no rabbit is lion and second statement some lion are horse. So here some lion are horse and some horse are cat. So here some horse are. अब इन दोनों वेन डायग्राम के बेसिस पर हम कंक्लूजन चेक करेंगे. कंक्लूजन फर्स्ट नो रैबिट इज हॉर्स. In diagram first no rabbit is horse is correct and in diagram second is incorrect. So here a possibility. Next, some horse are lion. So in diagram first some horse are lion correct and in diagram second is also correct. So conclusion second is right. Next conclusion third, all cats are lion. So in diagram first all cats are lion is incorrect and in diagram second is also incorrect. So conclusion third wrong. Last fourth conclusion, no lion is rabbit. So in diagram first no lion is rabbit correct and in diagram second no lion is rabbit correct. So conclusion fourth right. So here conclusion first is a possibility and it is a single possibility. So conclusion first is wrong and second and fourth conclusion is totally correct. So answer is conclusion second and fourth follow. Next question number 5th. Statement first, some mountains are hillocks. Statement second, no hillocks is river. Statement third, some river are valley. So statement based conclusion first, some mountain are river. Conclusion second, no mountain is river. Conclusion third, no river is hillocks. Conclusion fourth, all valley are mountain. तो सॉल्यूशन के लिए हम सबसे पहले वेन डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे. Here statement first, some mountain are hillocks. So here some mountain are hillocks. Statement second, no hillocks is river. So no hillocks is river. And statement third, some river are valley. Some river are valley. इसका भी सेकंड डायग्राम पॉसिबल है. तो सेकंड डायग्राम होगा some mountain are hillocks. Here some mountain are hillocks. Statement second, no hillocks is river. So no hillocks is river. Then river को हम mountain से join कर देंगे. And statement third, some river are valley. तो valley को हम इन सब से ज्वाइन कर देंगे. अब दोनों डायग्राम के बेसिस पर हम कंक्लूजन चेक करेंगे. कंक्लूजन फर्स्ट, सम माउंटेन आर रिवर. हियर सम माउंटेन आर नॉट रिवर इन फर्स्ट डायग्राम and in second diagram some mountain are river. So, conclusion first is a possibility. Next, Conclusion second, no mountain is river. In diagram first, no mountain is river is correct, and in diagram second is incorrect. So here a possibility. Next, conclusion third, no river is hillocks. In diagram first, no river is hillock, and in diagram second, no river is hillocks is correct. So conclusion third right, and in conclusion fourth, all valley are mountain. So all valley are mountain. That's not correct in first diagram and in second diagram. So conclusion fourth is wrong. अब यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं conclusion फर्स्ट और सेकंड दोनों अपोजिट पॉसिबिलिटी है. सो इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक रिजल्ट हो सकता है और conclusion थर्ड कंप्लीटली करेक्ट है. तो इसका रिजल्ट इस तरीके से होगा, conclusion third and either first or second conclusion follows. Okay student, thank you.